Hey guys, welcome back to Go Fish. You know we got some of the biggest and baddest stuff in the area, right? Well, guess what? I got some new rods coming, some new series coming in right now. I got some mags in as well. But I'm here to show you this. It doesn't look like much, but guys, I'll tell you what, this is some bad mamma jamma right here. If you have to pay like you tied one on, no problem. You all know you've seen those beepers, right? Those beep, 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 beep. You got one hitting, but you might miss it every now and then, right? Not anymore, guys. No more clickers. No more beepers. It doesn't matter what kind of pole you have, because I got the problem right here, the solution. No more. You'll guarantee a fish for this every time. Check this bad boy out. Your automatic setter pole holder. Lock into place. Boom. Sinks right into the ground, right? Guess what? You don't got to do nothing. You could be sleeping. It does not matter what it is. You're going to hit the fish every single time. Almost guaranteed, boys. Check this out. Boom! You got that bad boy. You tied it on. I guarantee you, every single person at Paydex will be looking, well, what the hell is this? The newest, baddest item is going to be coming out of this area here in the next 2 to 3 weeks, guys. Check it out here. Go Fish. The best. And you know, down here, Southwest Ohio is the only place to come to. Go Fish!